Danjo Capital really works and he's the best coach.
Hi guys, this is Danjo and today we will look at the Jollibee stocks. So if you're here and you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button. Now, let's move forward. So the Jollibee stocks, okay, are actually one of the best, okay, investment that you can make. Why? Because Jollibee is a blue chip company and it is widely known not only here in the Philippines but also in China. So most of the cash flow, okay, and the gains of Jollibee is from China, and it is called Yongking, okay, Yongking. Actually, it's called Yongking in China. So not only, just to give you the numbers, okay, before Jollibee's net worth in 2019 increased by 3%, and now it increased by 5% in 2020. Why? Because there are, okay, because of the lockdown, there are these deliveries, okay, coming from straight to your home, okay. So no need to worry about to going to Jollibee per se. And as far as I know, okay, Jollibee is limiting also the delivery, okay, the person who will deliver the food. So there's a high chance that the deliveries will be limited, but not that limited, okay. There will still be deliveries, but not that many compared to before na walang lockdown, okay. Now moving forward, as if you watch my previous videos, I always tell you this: the name of the game is about technical analysis. So as far as reading these charts, okay, if the charts are telling you to buy, then it is the right time to buy. But take note that if you look at the charts, okay, the MACD line is showing an uptrend, okay. What does this means? Okay, it means, okay, that there's a potential that Jollibee will go higher, okay. So today it's 135, okay, the stock price of Jollibee is 135. The next resistance would be at 153, and then here 163, and the next will be at around 168 mark. So if Jollibee break those resistance, okay, then long-term perspective, it's a good investment, okay. So as you can see these charts, this is the next resistance, because before Jollibee went down, this is the last, okay, resistance. So if Jollibee already break this resistance, then this will be the new support, okay, at around let's see charts, at around 156. So if Jollibee break this support at around 158, then this will be the new resistance, 154. So what does this means? It depends on your principles and strategies. There are a lot of strategies in this world, so I don't want you to just follow my advice without learning and investing your time to learn the different kinds of strategies, because it depends on your strategies, whether you're long-term investor or a day trader, okay. So it depends on your strategies if you will buy Jollibee or another stocks, okay. But looking at technical analysis per se, it says that Jollibee today is one of the best stock that you can buy, okay. There's a high probability that it will go uptrend. And if you didn't know, Jollibee also has a lot of competitors, because Jollibee owns Smash Burgers. If you didn't know that, that's one of the popular burgers in the United States. So there are a lot of competitors like In-N-Out Burger, okay. And if you don't know In-N-Out Burger, okay, so it's one of the popular brands in US about burgers. So if Jollibee can find a way to market better than its competitors, then there's a high chance that the stock price, once all of this ends, once all of the quarantine ends, then there's a chance that Jollibee will be good for long-term investing, okay. So but apart from that, okay, the sales of Jollibee is actually doing great, okay, because a mark of a great company, remember this, okay, a mark of a great company, okay, is when the leadership, okay, the leadership of the company, okay, is minimizing its operating costs. So that's what Jollibee is doing. It's minimizing its operation costs, okay. It's limiting its expenditures. As far as I know, it limited around 3 billion expenditures just to sustain its cash flow and to increase, okay, its net worth. So actually doing this will likely help Jollibee. And before, actually 3 days or 4 days ago, Jollibee gave dividends to its stocks and shareholders. So imagine that Jollibee gave around, if I'm not mistaken, 0.6%, okay, of dividends to his or her shareholders. Now, be that as it may, if you're looking at the charts and reading the technical analysis, okay, if your strategy, you're a day trader, okay, then you will buy at today's price. Okay, so it's already 1:16 p.m. the market's already closed, and if you read the MACD, there's a uptrend already. There's a chance that it will produce a bullish crossover already, and the 3 moving averages states that the candle is already above, and it's going, there's a high chance that it will break the next resistance. So if you're confident enough to invest in Jollibee right now, if you have the capital, if you have the right strategy, the right mindset, the right risk management, then I suggest you invest in Jollibee right now, because there's a high probability that it will go up, and the leadership skills of Jollibee is really great. It's really performing really well. Now, when it's back to its original price, okay, when this is all over, let's just say everything went back to normal, the only problem Jollibee is facing is about the issue about smash burgers, because there's a lot of competitors in United States. Now, be that as it may, if Jollibee had better marketing skills, better people, okay, to market their products, okay, better management, and I think they will overcome that problem, because you know Jollibee is a very big company, and they right now they're already solving these small problems like operation costs, okay, the delivery, and they're also selling food delivery products, okay, to people. You can see it in the hypermarket, in different stores in the Philippines. And if Jollibee, okay, continuously do this great work for them, then if their sales is going up, then there's a high chance that Jollibee stocks will be higher. So hope you guys learn a lot from this video. The next video I will discuss about should you buy Google stocks, because as I mentioned before, I invest in international stocks because there's a lot more profit in international stocks compared to local stocks, but it depends on your strategies and technical analysis, and also fundamental analysis. So hope you guys learned a lot about this video. Please click the subscribe button and have a great day. So one more thing guys, bago kayo mag-invest, make sure alam nyo na talaga, you need to learn. Di yung nag-invest lang kaibigan nyo, mag-invest ka na. Peace.